Hello and welcome to another version of me, your favourite train spotter. Today I am at my local level crossing, Het level crossing. Today you'll be served by cross country, LNER, Transferring Express, LUMO and some freight, hopefully. So yeah, yesterday was not a trains video, but this one is, so let's see what y'all turn up here at Het level crossing. First service passer is an LNER service off to Edinburgh Waverley. £800, 109. Next service pass through is LNER service off to London King's Cross. £210. And in the last clip, when I said it was the LNER service off to Edinburgh, it wasn't. It was off to Aberdeen. Next service pass through is Transferring Express service off to Newcastle from Liverpool Arm Street. Formed as 802 218. Next service pass through is the longest train journey in the UK, Aberdeen to Penzance, cross country service. Next service pass through is a LNER service, a Transferring Express service off to Liverpool Arm Street. Next service pass through is LUMO service off to London King's Cross. 803 104. Not going that fast, so Next service pass through is a cross country service off to Edinburgh. Next service pass through is the LNER service off to Edinburgh, off to London King's Cross. The Pride livery. Oh, I think it's a Pride livery. I'll check. I'll let you know. Next service pass through is the LNER service off to Edinburgh. I think. 801 212. 803 105. Off to Edinburgh Waverley. LUMO service. Next service pass through is LNER service off to Edinburgh Waverley. 801 205. Next service to pass through is the last service of the day. It's going to be the Tamper. So yeah, I've been waiting there for half an hour and it's half an hour late. It's off to Morpeth. So that's all for me here at Het level crossing. Thank you and goodbye.